Do you want to know how to convert NSF to Thunderbird files? Download NMigrator software to easily convert multiple NSF to Thunderbird. It is an ultimate solution for converting Lotus Notes NSF to Thunderbird without any loss of information. Go to Add File option for choose the Lotus Notes file. After that, go to the saved location and choose the Lotus Notes file. Then, click on the Open button. Now, mark the required file and folder for backup. Now, choose the required Lotus Notes file in the software interface. Click on it to get a complete preview in the software window. After that, go to the Convert option. Select All Folder Types option. Then, browse the Complete Saving List options. The software provides more than 25 saving options to download Lotus Notes emails, email, box, PDF, etc. Here, we select a EML file format to download Lotus Notes emails. Next, go to the folder-like icon and browse the location on your system to save the output file. Finally, click on the Next button and start the Lotus Notes emails download process. When the process gets completed, the software provides a complete conversion message. Click on the OK button. The trial edition of the software has limitation: convert only first 25 emails per folder. The software automatically opens the destination location. User can check the converted files. Go to Thunderbird. Then, go to Local Folders and right-click to open Settings. Go to Browse tab and picked up in the location of converted files. Next, select the resultant folder and check imported data and tap on Select Folder. Click on the Restart button. Here you can see Migrated NSF folder. Click on it and after that you can see the NSF files are successfully converted in Thunderbird emails. Thanks for watching.